On 3rd June 2025, the Democratic Party witnessed the election of Nobert Mao as party president general for the 4th time, in an election which was reportedly marred by violence. Mao garnered 969 votes, defeating Buekwe South MP Dr. Michael Lume, who scored 339 votes. Days after the hottest party elections, Nobert Mao, the newly elected DP president, held a press conference in Kampala, from where he explained the mystery behind his success.
We were re-elected because our ideas are the strongest. As you know, everybody is now repeating what DP says. We are the ones who have set the agenda for transition, and we are insisting, no matter what anybody says, we are not going to keep quiet on the question of transition, because it is the right topic, and we really urge the press to talk about it. It's very, very, very important.
Indicated how he is open for dialogue with those opposed to him, referring to the party constitution which provides internal mechanisms for resolving issues rather than courts of law.
I've heard some people saying they want to go to court. It's really their right, but there are internal mechanisms of resolving all these matters. That's what our constitution says. So if there are those who believe that there were flaws in the process, the internal mechanisms are all there. We normally keep the records.
Mao warned the politicians against politics of hatred, saying this may set the country into turmoil.
Our goal is to talk about real issues. Others are in a beauty contest. Oh, Chagulani is better than this one. That one is not our politics. You spend all your time fighting each other. I think they spend more time fighting Puga, as if Puga is the president of Uganda. When they wake up, then they are fighting Joyce Banda. Then they wake up and they are fighting. What sort of politics is that? But you continue, because when Uganda burns, we shall be here with you.
Commenting on President Museveni's apology to Ugandans, especially Uganda, Mao indicated how the country needs healing from wounds of misery through dialogue and national reconciliation.
You heard the president apologizing the other day. That's not the first time he has apologized. This country needs healing. And whether we remain alone talking about national healing, we will continue talking about it. This country needs dialogue. That's why we talk about building bridges. We have never been afraid to reach out. That has been the DP way.
He complained about the media sidelining with the National Unit platform against other political parties and urged journalists to exercise professionalism while reporting.
I also have to complain about the way the media is so much pro-NUP. You really are like an organ. The media is an organ of NUP. When you look at the NUP constitution, the page number where the signatures of Chibalama and others does not tally with the last page on the constitution. None of you is paying attention to that, but from morning to morning, Mao, DP, Balwanye, Bakosechi, what? Why are you not doing facts? Why are you telling lies about DP all the time, when the real liars are there in front of you?
He finally indicated how the fights between Uganda and NRM are not instigated by DP, and indicated how they have a big plan for Uganda. John Baptist Homza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.